Okay, so this was sent to me by Inseetech. This is a wireless backup camera with a magnetic bracket and built-in rechargeable battery. Absolutely a beast. I tried it briefly before I put it here on the table. And let me tell you, this thing is actually really cool because you don't need anything for installation. And by that, I mean absolutely nothing. You can install it on your pickup truck, on your regular car, on your trailer, on your pick trailer, tractor, whatnot, so you can see what's behind you. And all you need to do is make sure it's charged and connect it to your app. And it's extremely easy to connect it to your app. That is not even a problem at all. Let me just take it out of this bag really quick. And this is the camera itself. This is the user's manual where you can find how to download the Inseetech app. It's called Inseecam. And this is the camera itself. It has some heft to it, and it is actually really beautiful. It says remove protective film. I already removed it from there because I had to test it, and this thing is absolutely nice. You can release these here. Let me just take them out and spin it all the way to 90 degrees, as you see right here, or completely downwards. Depends on the case you're using it for, and you can fix it to that position if you wish so. And here on the back, we have the barrel style connector for the charger, and you just take it like that, boom. And that's where the charger goes. Charger is from USB to barrel. So it can go from 5 volts to 12 volts charging, and you charge it, and this should go at around up to 7 hours, it says, of recording time in one charge. Absolutely beautiful, because that's all you really need. And the magnets are neodymium here on the bottom. Well, let me just put a regular wrench. Boom. There it goes. It's actually that strong. Let me put it here so I don't break my table. Look, I'm not touching anything else. Boom. It grabs. It seriously grabs. No joke at all. So when you put it in your car, this is not gonna fall anywhere. And we're gonna do some testing as well, obviously. But I just wanted to show you how it actually looks before we do anything else, because this is a real beauty, in my opinion. And it has that matte finish, the color, it's really nice, and it feels really premium. This base is some kind of metallic mix alloy, I would say. Then you have the magnets here. This part is that high quality plastic. Absolutely a beauty. And of course, we're gonna take it outside at the car and test it, which that's the kind of easier part of it. I just wanted to show you that it actually is a good camera. And we'll install the app really quick and see how that goes. And I already have the app installed. It's called Inseecam. As you see, that app right there. Just gonna open it up, and you need Bluetooth turned on for proximity, but the connection is made via Wi-Fi. Yes, this camera will broadcast its own Wi-Fi network. So you simply install the app and, well, let me show you. You'll wait for the lights to come on. Hold the finger there. Yep, now the camera is on. As you see, the lights are right there. Battery's full. That's a battery indicator as well. So when the camera is on, just go to your Wi-Fi and look for the Wi-Fi broadcasted from this one. And it should be WFS that you see right here. Just connect. It doesn't have a password, but you can set the password inside the app if you wish so. And right now, we are connected to the camera. Let's go back to the app. It should find it right away. Yep, it found it right away. WFS 182F9D. This is our camera. Boom. And it is on. And there is almost no lag at all. So it is perfect for actually backing up and towing and all that, because you have a real-time view of the camera. Look at that. There's almost zero lag at all. And here on the app, you can start recording inside the app if you wish so. You have 5 minutes up to 2 hours, or you can enter a custom recording time. That recording will come directly to your device on your phone or tablet, depends what you put on. And you can flip it vertically, depends how you feel it easier. You can flip it side to side horizontal, and you can turn on the cursors if you're using it for parking. And that's what we're gonna do in my car in just a minute. You can take a snapshot or a picture of whatever is behind you. And here you can go to the settings. You can change the camera name and password. As you see, the login password is empty because I'm not gonna set a password. This will be used only for me. Auto sleep, you can go auto sleep anytime you want. I'll put mine on never because I have enough battery. The video standards, PAL or NTSC. Firmware update, we don't have any going on right now, I think. I checked already. And you can shut it down here, or you can put it on non-mute to have the sounds and all that stuff. I'm going to turn that off. And besides that, you can go to the gallery and check pictures and stuff that you have already taken. And besides that, click this on standard definition. Usually standard definition obviously will be faster, as you see, or you can go to high definition. And right now we are on high definition mode, and you can fully open it on full screen. It's a wide angle. This thing is not a small angle by any means. Let me see if I can, without showing too much there. As you see, I can see almost the entire workshop just in one camera right here. Absolutely a beauty. And we'll go throw it in the car. Okay, so I don't know how much you're gonna be able to hear here because we have quite a windy day today. But the camera basically would go somewhere here. Well, on the back when you're backing up, or if you have a tow hitch here, which is the main reason for these cameras. And you would be able to see down there where the tow hitch actually comes up, and that is absolutely beautiful. You can unlock these two screws here, and you can flip it however you want, even up to this point so you can see backwards right away. And we're gonna see how that looks with the connected to the phone there. But so far I tested a few things and it looks really good. The only thing I have on this car is that the back here, as you see, it's not straight, it's like a rounded back. Yeah, Mercedes thought it was a great idea, but the magnet, look, there's no way you can take it off. And just let me turn on the app really quick. And when you turn on the camera too, just hold it a few seconds, and now the camera should be on. And yep, the camera is now on here. You're ready to go. Boom. Let me turn the screen around. So you'll see my feet, of course, obviously. Let me get out and hit record. I left it on 5 minutes recording. And look at that. This phone may not show it, but I'll show you this footage here. Okay, and you can change brightness, chroma, contrast, saturation, all that stuff. We hit record again, and we're gonna go probably inside the car and take a quick ride, but let me tilt it down a little bit to the point that we can actually see the back of this car. Boom, just like that. Now you would have a tow hitch or a trailer or whatnot connected to the car, and you'll be able to see it. So here's the backup view, and it actually looks really good. It's in real time, and if you had a trailer connected there where the tow hitch would be, you'd see it really crisp, clear, and in real time. I can even see the grass blades moving. That's the level of detail. And yeah, so let's just back up for a little bit, then we're gonna go for a bigger ride. This one, yep, reverse, and look, you can just launch backwards if you wish. So look at that. So I can see everything going on there, and this is absolutely beautiful because it lets you do more than you thought. And it has the grid lines just like my car's camera. You can click on the screen anywhere and turn on the grid lines. If you tilted the camera up like I said, then you would have like a camera like this. This is my car's rear mirror camera thing, but you can do the same with this other camera. But I noticed one thing: the clarity and quality is much higher on this one, and the response time is much faster in this towing camera in Inseetech. somehow. And of course, you can take quick screenshots if you wish so, just like that. And you took a picture, you can flip it around, invert it, and all that good stuff. Convert it upside down if you wish so. And you can change the quality and all that. And of course, you can turn the screen back around to where it was. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm actually planning to put this on a tablet, because it would be a bigger screen somewhere, so you can actually have a whole full view of what's going on. And let me show you something actually really cool that I'm planning to do with this camera, and I just thought of it last minute, of course. Let me put the camera on the side and show you something really cool. So let's say you want to see where your wheel is going, or you're testing wheels or whatnot, right? Boom, just like that. Now let me tilt it down towards the wheel itself, and now you can drive and see the wheel, so you can check alignment and all that good stuff. So let me see how it looks here inside. Look at that, super clear. Oh yes, Inseetech really nailed it with this one. Let me move the car just a little bit to see. Look at that. In real time, you see your own wheels spinning. That is really cool. That can make for some really beautiful footage, actually. Not gonna lie. Look at that. Oh yeah, Inseetech, thank you for sending this cool camera. You can use this for way more than actually is advertised, because you can magnetically put it anywhere. And as you saw, you don't need to actually install anything with it. You just stick the magnet, turn it on, and connect the Wi-Fi of this camera to your phone, and that's it. Open the app and you're ready to go. Literally nothing else. Let's go for a quick drive, and we'll be back. I'm gonna have it just like you see it right now in front of me. And you're trying to back out now. As you see, it's in the other position. You can put the guidelines for parking, just like that. And you can just hit reverse and start getting out of the park. In this case, as you see, the lines are straight with the other lines of the parking. So this is actually really good, and the angle is really wide, and the quality is really high. I really love this one, so I'm gonna keep recording for a little bit more, so we see where that goes. As you see, the picture is really clear. So look at that. And while you're driving, you can use it as a backup if you want to. You can take the grid lines out, so you'll just keep going. And look at the picture. This is actually the camera stuck on the back of the car live right now. And look at the picture quality. I mean, my main camera that I'm filming it with doesn't actually show it this good. Look at this thing here. Super clean. And it's in real time. Now just imagine whatever you're towing, a trailer or something behind you, so you could monitor it in real time if you wanted to. That is really cool. So yeah, in my opinion, this is worth every penny so far. Based on what I'm recording, testing it and all that, it's been good.